The next product we tested was the Lightwork. Now this is a game-changing hair clay that gives you weightless dimension and body to your hair. Now it is perfect for all hair types and textures that want a fresh look without the shine. Now I really like this product because just like the cream styler, it was versatile. I slicked back my hair and then I started experimenting, creating a little bit of a messy look, and it was literally going wherever I was taking it. And because it's water based, it provides a reworkable finish with added texture. And with this being a water based product, you can also style it with wet or damp hair. Okay, guys, so moving on to the clay pomade. This is an oil based product that will give you a stronger hold for more fixed hairstyles. Now, this does also provide more of a shine compared to the Lightwork. Now, the difference between this and the Lightwork product, the Lightwork product is a water-based product, and this will allow you for more versatility in terms of experimenting and going for the ideal look. Whereas in terms of the clay pomade, if you have a hairstyle in mind, like a slick back or a comb over, this will really help give it strength. So as I have tested the product, guys, I've gone for a comb over hairstyle. So I've moved away a little bit from the slick back. I mean, I could have gone for a slick back, but I just want to try something different just for the purposes of the review. So as you can see, guys, testing out this product, I've gone for a comb over hairstyle, and you'll be able to see that it does give you a stronger hold, and you can also see the shine on it as well compared to the light work, which is a natural finish minus the shine.